This is the one that started it all. This is the Pit Boss. Not only do you have a ceramic grate, you also have a hammered finish, which is better than the Traeger. I'm sorry, it is. You can download different, think of maps. Not for cars.
I get what you mean. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We mapping
this
grills.
goes like this.
Let's go. Get that nice and spicy.
There you go.
This shot though, this view.
We got an exciting little lineup here. Walked out of the office to find this nice view. This car belongs to Hugh, who you met last week. Beautiful Z4M Coupe example, S54, very difficult to find. Z3M Clown Shoe with only 44,000 miles, Amola red on red, 6-speed S52, so E36 M3 powertrain. They did make these in an S54. Wild, I can't even imagine what that would be like. But which one are you picking? Are you taking Z3M or are you going Z4M Coupe? That's a tough choice. I know what I'm taking.
So we are finally free to make some good old Sean John apparel here. If you haven't heard, if you don't know what I'm talking about, Diddy's over. Okay, yes, Sean John, what's up? Yeah, we got Sean and we got John. Yeah, might as well go ahead and get ready to trademark this because Alice, look at that, come on man, tough. Alice is not playing out here. Giggity, giggity, giggity. I'm not gonna say it.
So,
What the heck is this, Sean?
here we've got a race car owned by a friend of Dave's, Lorenzo DeLutri. Some of you may know him, but he's got a E36 M3 that he races with BMW Car Club. It's a C-Mod car. So he's got full cage safety equipment, and then we've got a S54 out of an E46 M3 in here. It makes a little bit more power than the stock M52 used to. Those were about 240 horsepower, and the S54 in stock form makes 333. I'm not sure what this one's putting out right now. Be getting it next door at some point to get a dyno sheet on there for him so he can have that. But it's got MCS suspension all the way around, double adjustables, and all of that fun stuff. So it is an absolute animal on track.
So
what are we doing?
That thing right there.
Oh, the other S54 in the shop?
Yeah.
So today, John's been working on this S54. It's one we've had sitting off to the side for a while. Dave bought it to go into the ZHP project we've got sitting around, and we finally made time to get it into the shop and get some work done to it. So Dave, Monday, Tuesday, did a valve adjustment on it, and then today John's been working on rebuilding the vanos. So it got upper chain guide, the bolts, seals, the upgraded pump housing, and the upgraded exhaust hub, along with a refreshed solenoid pack, new gaskets and seals all the way around. So it's going to be good to go here pretty soon. I think tomorrow we're going to get into rod bearings on it, and then a couple other items, and it'll be ready to drop in the car. That S54 got the Vanos job yesterday by John, and
another one.
Tomorrow it's getting rod bearings. So whole lot of S54 work around here these days.
All right, we are rolling.
Question of the week.
Yes, sir.
Favorite food to grill?
Ooh. So, my beautiful wife and I love to celebrate with a nice fat tomahawk steak. Bone-in, I mean,
Yes, he
as
does.
big as it gets. That's my favorite.
That's what she said.
Then dinosaur bones.
Oh,
Favorite food to grill?
Favorite Steak, hands down.
Yeah? Any
Yeah.
specific cut?
Filet.
Yeah, okay. I have a little smoker grill at home, so I like to cook sides. I like to make skillet mac and cheese, bourbon brownies. I like smoking turkey breast. This guy, grill master over here. Hey, Sean. Hey, sorry, I know you're busy, but what's your favorite food to grill?
Can't beat a brisket. Brisket's probably the best.
Yeah. Also the most difficult.
Yeah.
If it has hooves and oinks or moose, he's made it. Cup noodles don't count. What's your favorite thing to grill, sir?
All right.
Don't say Hot Pockets.
Yeah. So this is gonna be a weird one, but I've done it. So typically you put squirrel in like stew, but you can actually grill squirrel, and it's not bad. But you have to do like 10 of them in order to get, a partial serving.
He's from the Dale.
That's right.
He's from the Dale.
Jay, what about you? Jay, what about you?
I'm black and I fry stuff, so grill. I have grilled salmon before, and it came out really good. So I'll say salmon.
Salmon, fish,
Salmon
grilling
is good.
fish is good.
Yeah.
You use the cedar planks? You use cedar planks?
No.
I think between all of us here at Atlas, between all of us, we have every single grilling type of implement. I have a smoker. Sean's got a smoker. Dave's got tons of cooking
Yes, he does.
apparatuses. Yeah. Did you guys check out the Pit Boss? This is the one that started it all. This is the Pit Boss. Not only do you have a ceramic grate, you also have a hammered finish, which is better than the Traeger. I'm sorry, it is. You have your pellet hopper here. This is the upgraded hardware, really nice, but this guy fits about 4 to 5 racks of ribs. You have an adjustable vent here too, not bad, but it's pretty good. This one, you set it and forget it. Look, check it out, check it out. You just press, you press
I'm a
power,
charcoal guy.
you set your temperature, and you're good to go.
Oh, wow.
Exactly. You can put, so really even cool, Pit Boss is gonna pay me for this, but you can sneak your thermometer in here and you can have up to 2 probes on this guy. Some of the other ones have 4, but you can put your probe in, and what you can do is you can set it to a cooking series. So you literally can set it and walk away. Once you put the probe in and that internal meat temperature hits a certain degree, it can either go up or down in temperature. You can download different, think of maps. But not for cars,
I
but
get what
maps
you mean.
for a grill.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We mapping
this little guy
grills.
goes like this.
Let's go.
It's a beautiful grill.
Ladies and gentlemen, your newest Pit Boss sales representative.
Beautiful.
My man Daniel is weak.
Well, no, it was because when you started it, it reminded me of, like when he's saying, walking us around the 340,
Yeah.
walking us around the Z3, like that when you started it, that is exactly what it reminded me of.
Now we at the grill. Let's go, Dan. Yeah.
There you go, Jay.
Get that nice and spicy.
There you go.
Ooh, let's go. Subscribe.
Thanks again for checking out one of our videos. Here at Atlas Motor Company, our BMW inventory gets refreshed every single week. We're gonna have fresh new content for you on a weekly basis. If you like what you guys saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts, and we'll see you next time.